In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fusion Markets to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you have to create a trading account for MT4 inside your hub on Fusion Markets. I'm going to do this with a demo account over here, so I'm going to switch to demo. And then on here, what you want to do is click on new account, and you want to make sure the trading platform is MT4, okay? Once you do that, you can select your account type, the base currency, your leverage, and then the amount as well, okay? And after you do it, just click on create account and your MT4 account is going to be created. For me, this is the one over here, as you can see. Now, after this, what's going to happen to your email, you'll receive your login ID for MetaTrader 4 and then your password as well. And that's the only thing you basically need. So what you're going to have to do then is go to downloads here on the left. And then you want to find the MT4, which is the first one. You want to click on the download button. So here it is for Windows and for Mac. I'm going to download this for Windows. There we go, it's going to download. You want to click on that. And then it's going to basically run up the installer on your computer. You simply have to click on next over here and it's going to start installing. Now within just a few seconds, this should be installed onto your computer. And then the next step is actually going to be very simple. And I'm just going to show you what to do to actually sign into your account and go ahead and start trading. There we go. Here you have to click on the finish button. And what this is going to do is you can close this tab. It's going to open up the Fusion Markets MT4. There we go. And then you will basically, the first time you see this, you're going to see a login page. But if you don't, just click on File, top left, and then click on Login to Trade Account. And this is what you're going to see over here. And then all you have to do is just you have to basically copy your login from your email you received after opening your MT4 account. And then you have to paste in your password as well. And then the server, so for me, it's the demo one. And it's going to say which server you have to use inside your email as well. And then just click on the login button. And it's going to log into your account just like this. And then you can go ahead and start trading. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.